I purchased the cheapest Raptor 700R in the Southeast on Facebook Marketplace on a cold, rainy Martin Luther King Day 2021. Alright, here is the 2009 Raptor R 700. As with some other machines I've purchased, I was taking a chance since I was not able to test drive it. It would turn over and try to hit, but would not quite start. I bought it anyway. I got it home, changed out the spark plug, put in some fresh gas, and still no luck. It would start and idle, but as soon as you hit the throttle, the engine would die. After a visit to the local shop, Motorcycle Medic, to troubleshoot, and $700 later, I had a running Raptor with a new fuel pump, air filter, and new A-arm bushings. Riding it the next two times, I noticed it would cut out after hitting hard bumps at speed. I thought maybe the wiring for the fuel pump was bad, so back to the shop. Turns out the ignition key wiring was too long and had been folded up and kinked up, creating a short. So that was replaced with an OEM switch and the problem was solved. It also really needed a new clutch, so I had them go ahead and install a Henson clutch while they had it. Total cost, $700 again. At the end of the following ride after that repair, and putting the Raptor on the trailer, riding at Brown Mountain, I noticed a bunch of oil had leaked out of the seal around the top of the clutch and had run down the case. So back to the shop again. They replaced the seal at the top of the clutch assembly for $66. After another test ride, the seal popped off again and oil was leaking out again. So back to the shop again. After some troubleshooting, they realized that one of the case vents was clogged. Once they got that unclogged, there was no more pressure pushing that seal out, and that fixed that problem. No charge on that visit. Cosmetics-wise, I paid $17 for a bolt kit for missing bolts on the plastic. Ordered a new rear underside plastic piece that covers the back underside up to the taillight for $25 to replace the broken piece. Replaced the front grille cover for $56. Installed some $20 ODI locking grips, $16.50 for OEM hill guards, a $40 case saver, and $25 seat cover from eBay, which we installed ourselves. Lastly, I installed a new black HMF competition exhaust for $360. After all this, in a 2-hour aggressive ride in the high 80-degree temperatures in July, I had zero issues whatsoever with the four-wheeler and had an amazing time riding. It can use some front tires at some point soon, and the front left headlight frame is broken. Although I don't do much night riding and the light does still work. Zip ties. But mechanically it seems very sound. All told, I'm in so far for $4,726. I would expect I could sell it for a few hundred less than that. I'm obviously not at the level of cheapest Raptor any longer, but I don't feel like I've been burnt either, especially finding a Raptor with a digital dash. Overall, it's been an interesting experience getting things fixed. Most of it I've enjoyed. Of course, I could have saved $850 if you count labor charges, if I had more mechanical ability and interest. And I did not have to add the $360 HMF exhaust. But it's super fast, handles great, sounds good, has a factory speedometer, brand new clutch, and it's a blast to ride. I'd say if you're trying to save money and aren't interested in doing the work yourself on a project, you'll be about as good finding the nicest Raptor you can afford. But if you can do a lot of the work yourself and have the time, interest, and ability, there are some really good deals to be had. I'm looking forward to enjoying riding mine for a while, with hopefully no major issues. More updates to come. Thanks for watching.